A home that's more than just bricks and beams. It's your family's next adventure. Welcome to 28 Paradise, where cherished memories and cozy moments await. I'm Kim.
And I'm Janae with Mirage Real Estate. This stunning freehold townhome features an open concept modern kitchen overlooking living and dining with a walkout to a deck. 3 large and spacious bedrooms with an oversized balcony and a builder finished basement with a walkout to a private ravine.
Don't miss out on your chance to own this beautiful home in the highly desirable neighborhood of Rolling Acres.
So contact us for your own private showing.